Welcome back. In today's Healthy Living, September is National Prostate Cancer Awareness Month. You can take advantage of free prostate screenings this Saturday at Franklin Primary Health Center. Here to talk about why that's so important, we have Prince and Judy from the Franklin Primary Health Center. Good morning to you both. Thank you for being here.
Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you very much for having us.
No problem. Let's talk a little bit about the Franklin Health Center just at the top so people know what we're talking about. Tell us about this facility.
Franklin Primary Health Center actually has 18 locations in 5 counties, and we actually work very hard to provide access to those patients who otherwise would not have access to health care. We do see insurance patients and those who are uninsured. We work with a lot of programs to provide access to health care for individuals, for women, children, and males.
All right, and when we're talking about males, those prostate cancer screenings are so important as you get older. Doctor, tell us about why this is so important to get these checks and get this taken care of.
This is very important because prostate cancer is the most common cancer in men. Number 2, prostate cancer is the second leading cancer-related deaths in men.
One other thing that's very interesting about prostate cancer is even with those facts, it's also one of the most treatable cancers.
Actually it is. It's one of those cancers that early detection is very important. Unlike other cancers, whereby someone may have symptoms, the symptom may indicate early cancer. It is not the same with prostate cancer. By the time people have symptoms, maybe due to the obstruction when they try to pass urine, or maybe due to the spreading of the cancer, most likely to the bones. At that time, it's a very late diagnosed cancer. It's more complex, poor prognosis, not the right time to find something that we could have found much earlier.
Sure. So when you're talking about getting screenings, and what particular age group of men should start thinking about this and probably take advantage of this free screening you have this Saturday?
Actually, anyone over the age 50. However, for African American males, we strongly recommend any male African American over the age 40. Because this is a disease that's most common in African American people. They have risk factors. If you are African American, and if you have family member who may have prostate cancer, or if you are getting older, by the way, who wants to die younger? If you meet any of these criteria, or you have a family member, a friend who meets any of these criteria, they should come and take advantage of the screening. It is free.
So tell us about the screening on Saturday. What do the folks need to know in terms of when it is, where it is, do they need to bring anything, all that kind of stuff?
The free prostate cancer screening will be held at the Franklin Medical Mall location, and that's at 1303 Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Avenue. And the screening hours are from 9 to noon. However, if you cannot make that event, please call us. We're at 436-7741, and we'd be happy to set up some appointment times when you can make to come in to have your prostate cancer screening done.
Very important. And guys, they just took the excuse away from you because, as I mentioned, those football games on Saturday start at 3 and 5, so you should be free from 9 to noon to come on in and get these screenings. So important. Is there anything else we need to mention today?
Well, yes, because it's very simple, just a simple blood test.
Okay.
And we actually do follow this with examination, rectal examination.
Okay.
Just to make sure. Then you will be notified. The advantage of this test, unlike any other, is that if indeed someone has increased PSA, there is fund available through this program to get you further testing, which you may not have if you had gone somewhere else just to get a PSA test.
All the more reason why it's so important to come this Saturday morning. All that information will be on our website, the Studio 10 tab on fox10tv.com. Thank you both so much for coming in today.
Thank you very much.
Coming